Hey guys, so Melissa and I are going to get my trailer for my Teardrop, and here's the hookup piece. It's all attached. It's all good.
Can you install this one? No.
No. That's the wrong one.
Wrong one.
Because I didn't know which one to get. All right, see you in a bit. I think I want, I don't know.
What do you want?
I'm not sure what I want. I gotta plan it. I want a bed. I want a bed.
Do you want like a kitchen thing though?
Yeah, the kitchen thing. I'm gonna have a kitchen thing.
On the outside?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But like also the outside, what's the outside gonna be? Is it gonna be wood or metal?
I feel like
insulate the floor, but I'm not gonna insulate everywhere else.
You're not gonna insulate everywhere else?
No.
Well, where are you planning to take this?
Cross country, hopefully in September.
Oh yeah, we had talked about that going in September. I forgot. So we just arrived at Heavy Haulers to get the trailer. Annabelle went into the office already, so I'm gonna follow her in, but she's really, really excited. It's really, really awesome.
How's it going?
I let your viewers know where we were.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
So we're here. Annabelle's patiently waiting, but she's really secretly very excited. So it seems as if they cannot find anyone quite yet.
They can't, no.
So
that's what happened when I came to pick up my tiny house trailer too. Just kidding. Totally kidding. Definitely not being serious. But sort of am. I'm here for like 5 minutes.
It's 5 minutes is way too long when you're just so excited to start building, right?
Too long, yeah.
Well, maybe this time you'll have plans and we can actually like help you if you need some. You know?
Right.
That would be fun.
Help me with my plans?
Well, I could help you like install the bed, you know?
Right.
And put flowers up and stuff.
I thought you were talking about this place could help me with the plan. Not my
No.
That wasn't my trailer. I don't think.
Okay, let's see. Can we see anything out the window? I don't think so. Manifest that. You are a money magnet. I am a money magnet. I love money and money loves me. Situation. It looks like they have a little shop here that you can buy things that you need.
Yeah, so in case I...
Let's see. Are they pulling it? Oh, there it is. There it is. Do you see that? Oh, how cute. It's so little. It's so little compared to our trailers with our tiny houses on them.
Yeah.
They won last year or a couple years ago, the same thing.
Okay, yeah.
So it was a little smaller than that though.
Right.
So.
Yeah, it looks really small with it just being like that. I guess it all looks really small.
Yeah, it's hard to tell today.
There's nothing on there yet.
Just sneak by it.
I knew it. I called it, didn't I? I was like, that's yours. It has to be.
It was the smallest one out there. But...
It was the smallest one out there.
Yeah, that's okay.
How big is it?
I hope 6 by 8.
6 by 8?
Yeah.
Sign and print.
Okay.
Don't date anything.
I won't.
That won't get you too far. Here.
No, it won't.
Look at itty bitty Annabelle. See, look. Da, da, da.
Back it up.
Do you know how to put it on?
Yeah. I think.
Well, we'll find out.
It's very intuitive.
A little bit more. Well, yeah, we both have never done this before.
Yes, we know.
I think
All
you
right,
should too. Don't you have to go like underneath the car? Oh no, I see. Will it close?
We just checked.
Do you want me to press the brake lights? The lights are on? Nice. So what's this for?
You put this through here. Anytime you lock it, you put this on. And this is your, this go on here.
Oh.
See,
We
look.
would have had problems.
There's something like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you so much.
Try to pop off, it'll still be hot.
Okay.
Thank you. I was like, I don't know if this is right. Okay.
We would have had a trailer rolling down the highway. It's
Good thing he was there. He's like, did you lock it? No. I was gonna say, excuse me, sir. What is this pin for?
Would you check it for
Can
us?
you just make sure? Okay, let's be careful.
We're being careful.
Oh. Check it out. Look at that. Annabelle's about to do a turn. So she's waiting until everyone passes so that she can turn with the trailer, because Annabelle doesn't often drive with the trailer. Oh gosh. It's so little and cute. Oh my gosh. I wasn't sure either. I wasn't sure, you know? Because our house trailers are mad heavy.
It's okay to be clueless.
It is. That's how you learned. We learned a lot today.
We did.
We learned so much today. At least you knew the light part. That was one thing that we got, you know, without any help.
Right away.
But we did learn a lot of other things about hooking a trailer up to your car.
That's right. Who would have known? You actually have to hook these things on.
She's
I
like,
want to plan it now and build it.
yeah, I bet. And then you could take it out west and then stay out west and we'll meet you there.
Okay.
Anyway, so now we're on our way back. Where are you gonna park this baby? Yeah. The old place, right? Where our trailer was?
I don't know.
Because she just got her new baby.
Precious cargo.
Her precious little baby trailer. It's like her house and our house had a baby. Alright, so we just tried to back up the trailer, which didn't really work. And we kind of maybe ruined the grass a little bit because it's a little muddy. But it's okay, everything's fine. So Annabelle and I actually lifted up the trailer and we pushed it into place. It was pretty good.
I gotta fix the grass.
I'm glad that I was here though, because I don't think you would have been able to do that by yourself.
No, I wouldn't have.
No.
I would have been more clueless and they would have helped me, but then coming here I probably would have just taken it off and left it right there in the driveway. Said,
Look at this little baby. Annabelle's trying to fix this. It's not really working.
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
But I'm 5 foot.
That's definitely 8 feet.
It is, isn't it?
Because you're 5 feet and you're not like, there's no way you could like lie across it.
So like this is gonna be the kitchen
Okay.
in the back. And then it's gonna be over here. It's the main living quarters. And then we're gonna have a door on one of the sides. Maybe both. That's it.
Windows?
It's gonna have like a plexiglass roof so you can look at the stars.
Nice.